In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meet link. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Meet. On the Meet homepage, you can see two options. One is for creating a meeting link, and the other is for joining a meeting someone else created. As I want to show how to create a Google Meet link, I click on New Meeting. In the drop-down menu, you get three options to create a meeting link. The first option is Create a Meeting for Later. If I click on it, Meet will provide a link that we can use anytime. We share the link with recipients and hold a meeting whenever we want. The second option is Start an Instant Meeting. If I click on this, the meeting will start instantly. While being in the meeting, we can share the join code to invite anyone else to join, but can't send an invite if we are not present in the meeting. The third option is Schedule in Google Calendar. If I click on this, it will take me to the Google Calendar where we can schedule a meeting at a specific time. Here, you have to add the specific date and time to schedule the meeting. You can add your recipients who will join the meeting too. At the provided time, they will receive a notification to join the meeting. This way, you don't have to share any invitation links. Following these steps, you can create a meeting link in Google Meet easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.